Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I have another wig from Amazon. It is a 24-inch Brazilian virgin straight wig. It's 150 density and it's only for $125. Now when I purchased this a few months ago, it was around $150. So for some reason they're having a deal, or it's just the prices went down, I guess because of the summertime, I'm not sure. But it's by the brand Suncasa, and I'll leave the link in the description box below. This application is going to be a glueless application. So as you see, I use the Got to Be Glued gel and the Got to Be Glued freeze spray, because for me, I like to take my wigs off every night. So that's why I'm doing glueless. And I'm just using the blow dryer to get it a little tacky, a little sticky before I actually lay it down. And I already put the concealer on the actual lace part, which is the same color as my skin tone, just to give it more of a scalp look. So I'm just going ahead and doing that, and then I'm going to lay it down with the melt belt to get it melted in, and then I'll go into the flat ironing process, because I did flat iron a little bit after I bleached the knots, as you seen in the beginning of the video, but I want it to be more straighter, so I want to go through it, just run it past one more time to give it a little more straighter, and then I'll do a middle part and some baby hairs, and you'll see how it turned out. But this is 24 inches, y'all. I spent like $150 when I got the wig, and now they got it for $125, so you can't beat that. It's some really good hair and very flowy, long. I mean, it feels so good. I love it. And I'm not really a long hair type of girl. I normally wear short haircut styles like bobs and stuff like that. But for some reason, I just was like, I need to switch it up. You know, this was wintertime when I got this, more around like November. So that's why I said it's a good deal. Even if you're not going to wear this long hair in the summer, I will go ahead and snatch it. I believe when wintertime come back around, it's going to probably go back up, because most times people buy the long hair in the winter the most. So yes, and as you see, I'm just trying to get this middle part straight, and then I'll go in and just do a little flat iron. So stay tuned so you can see the end results, and you can see the length, the fullness of the length and everything. And thank y'all for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend. Y'all see all them flyaways? So now I'm going to go in with this wax stick to lay these flyaways down, so when I flare down it, it'll be silky smooth. And I use the cheat that I just showed as well. That's going to give it shine and smooth look when I flat iron it as well. So just know you got to have a good flat iron, because this flat iron I use right now is BaBylissPRO, and it's like $180 on Amazon, but it's like the best flat iron I ever used, especially on straight hair, because I have other flat irons on a cheaper level with different brands that I got from Target and stuff like that, but they don't flat iron my straight hair the way I want it straight and the way I want it look. They're good for like curling and stuff, but as far as that bone straight look, I had to invest in a flat iron. So if you really want that bone straight look, you're going to need some great products, and you're going to need a good flat iron. So Chi Silk Press product is good. The one I just showed you, you only need like a dime size of it, and you just rub it throughout your hair and flat iron it. And then like a wax stick for the flyaways, and just keep the hair in place, and you'll have that salon look flat iron. A lot of people say they don't flat iron their hair because they don't think they can get that look, but it's just the products that you're using, that the salon is using, that's allowing your hair to have that silky straight bone straight look. So yeah, just invest in those products and you'll save a lot of money, okay? Okay, so now I'm going in with the eyebrow archer to remove the lace. When I use like a lace glue, it comes off so good, but being that I use gel, it kind of snagged and it didn't come off exactly how I wanted it. But instead of cutting myself, I went in with the scissors and removed it. And then it happened on the other side, so I just added more gel and more freeze spray. About 15 seconds of the blow dryer. It still came out good, still had that scalp look. Then I'm going to go in and do the baby hairs. Now originally I wasn't going to do baby hairs. I was going to do that natural look that comes out the scalp, but then it kind of was looking a little witty to me, so I was like, let me go ahead and just do a little baby hairs, little swoop on each side. That way you know for sure it's coming out the scalp, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I'm doing.